Hey, it's Tommy time. F16. And it's Scary Dow time. Here goes the wind sock. Donated by Mr. Oh, look at the wind and change. Straight down the runway. Look at that. It's blowing all over the place. Uh-oh. Tommy getting some extra throw. You know the thing go 100 miles an hour. Oh, that's where you're landing, huh? Oh, he got little handles in the thing. Ain't that a trip? Look at the wind side.
Let me get down here then. That way I don't hit the wind side.
Oh, look at the way the wind blowing. So you know you're going to catch it right.
Turn it again.
Yeah.
I'm just going to launch like
yeah.
Like right there.
There you go. Oh, yeah, you got to have that power, baby. Nice. Gotta have that power. I think that plane will slow down if we don't get jiggy with it. Oh, that flies good. What's that, a 64 millimeter fan? Hey, it's got 60. Wow. Wow. And it just disappeared to me. But it's easy when you're flying because you know which way it's going. It's cooking. Oh man, that's rock solid.
You think so?
Heck yeah, the wind, the way it came, it fly like it's on rails.
Oh, that joint's bouncing.
Well, I can't see no way. Let me put my glasses on. Oh damn, I ain't got my glasses. Oh well, I laid them on the table. Well, thank God I got astigmatism, so since it's bouncing to me, it's flying straight. Oh, look at that. That is flying like it's on rails. That's what that means. Yeah, you ain't a left turner? All right, very good. For somebody who ain't been flying a while.
I prefer a left turn to me than that. Because you're flying away from yourself.
Yeah.
See, just like this turn down here is a left turn because it's
yeah.
going away from you. Because it's more natural, you know what I'm saying? That's why new beginners need to learn how to fly figure 8 in both directions.
Yeah, right turns are hard, but after you practice on figure 8s, it's not bad.
You just got to remember to give it a lot of back pressure when you make that left because you're inclined not to give it any back pressure.
What? Engine dying? Huh?
My time to land.
Oh, okay. Well, you know which way to land. Yeah, from left to right. Just come on around this way.
I ain't landed this in a while, so
where you going?
Loading.
I think when you cut the, I don't know, you've been landing the plane, so you know.
I'm too high. And it's flying too fast, look at that. And I'm coasting.
That you coming kind of downwind.
That's how far it's going to go fast.
That's all right. Nice. Oh dang, I'm so busy watching the plane, I ain't watching the camera.
That was a scary flight, I ain't gonna lie.
You came out here for that adrenaline rush.
Yeah, look. I'm still over here shaking.
That's when you know you got a good flight.